6 in the morning, the long queues here already indicate the excitement of the event to follow. We're at the Kagyu Monastery in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, about to witness a rare performance of the Garchen Sheshu Cham, a sacred Lama dance of the Kagyu sect of Tibetan Buddhism, which begins with this invocation to purify the land. The music is sung by chanting masters, their instruments coordinated with the meditative movement of the dancers. The Seshu is led by the absolute spiritual head of the Kagyu sect, the 17th Karmapa Trinley Dorje, who's been living in exile in Dharamsala after he fled Tibet in 2004 at the age of 14.
900 साल से चलती आई ये जो पारंपरिक लामा डांस है और वैसे ये जो पूजा है हर 2 साल पे जो रुमते गए सिक्किम में कर्मपा का मेन सीट वहाँ हर एक 2 साल पे होते हैं तो यहाँ कभी नहीं हुए.
The Kagyu sect has a unique theory of reincarnation which is based on the belief that each Karmapa leaves clues to indicate where he will be reborn. At the death of one, the clues are then followed to find the reincarnated Guru. There are 2 other claimants to the throne of the 17th Karmapa, but Trinley Dorje is the one endorsed by the Dalai Lama and has the dominant following. For the audience, mostly monks and believers, the Karmapa's presence heightens the sanctity of a dance which is perceived as a sacred puja. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
सिक्किम, भूटान और हिमाचल.
Nepal?
From the Netherlands.
I'm from China. This is my son.
The presence of a large number of Chinese followers underlies the endless politics between India and China over Tibet. But while those politics are actively discouraged here, the deep historical and spiritual links between India and Tibet are reinforced by the dance itself, which honors Guru Padmasambhav, who was said to have taken Buddhism to Tibet in the 8th century. Today, many ancient Buddhist texts and Sanskrit shloks lost to India are preserved by Tibetan Buddhist orders. The Karmapa is keen to preserve and revive this knowledge.
Ancient Indian wisdoms and adado, Rigneji Yimba, Rishunji Yimba, the Nazu Kutulia, Mikdan Ruchi, to Chorjin Dere, Chorjin and Azugi, Tibetan young generation, Tizuin Bina Motune, and a Kashreji Kuzuti Tony, and the Mimang Shale or Techeza Kuzumutuni Yuzicha Reva, a new in Strawani.
For the first time, Buddhist nuns are also dancing as part of the Karmapa's agenda to give women greater equality within the faith. This is backstage, the green room frenzied with activity. Most of those who are participating are from monasteries from Sikkim, Darjeeling, across the Himalayas. The dance is part of a month-long peace prayer for which the monks, almost 10,000 of them, will stay in camps like this, which replicate the Tibetan concept of Garchen. Garchen literally means encampment, the sort which would historically accompany a Karmapa as he went from one monastery to another. For those outside the faith, the residents of Bodh Gaya, this event is timely. Bomb blasts in July 2013 has impacted the tourist season here.
हमारे यहाँ तो ये बिजनेस बहुत आधे मंदी की और बंदी की तरफ चल रहा है.
उससे कुछ मतलब ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स होने से कुछ फायदा होता है?
हाँ, कुछ तो टूरिस्ट आते हैं.
As part of the reason to perform the Seshu dance and the peace prayers is to purify the environment, it is apt that it should be held in Bodh Gaya exactly 6 months after the terror attacks. In Bodh Gaya, Bihar, with Pooja Arya and Shikhar Yadav, Radhika Boria for NDTV.